Pastor Daron,
Yes, Arnie?
for the next animal I want you to make, I'm going to make a sound and see if you can guess what animal it is.
Okay, listen for the sound.
Okay, you ready? Roar!
It could be a tiger.
Yeah,
I got
you
it!
got it first time.
I'm going to make a tiger.
Yeah, please.
Oh, that's one of my favourites.
Is it?
Yeah, it
Oh,
is.
this should be a good one then.
Like an orange balloon.
An orange balloon.
And I'm going to, again, blow it halfway up.
Right.
Soften it. Tie it off. I'm going to start with the head again at knotted end. And do 3 bubbles.
3.
Just like so, about the same size.
Okay.
That's going to form my nose.
Your nose.
Well, the nose of the tiger.
Oh, the tiger's nose.
That's
okay.
right. Against my stomach.
Yeah.
Now, if they come undone, don't panic. Once you soften the balloon, you can go back and find them later on.
Right. I won't panic then.
Now, a cheek, an ear, and again I'm going to pinch twist it. A head, ear, pinch twist it. Another cheek, and lock those 2 cheeks in,
Right.
and then reform those 3 bubbles. And take the first bubble right through the middle of the head,
Right.
like so.
Yeah, without breaking it.
That's right. And then lock the knotted end of that first bubble down to the neck,
Okay.
simply by twisting around and round and round the neck. And that completes your tiger face.
There's the tiger face.
Now there's no neck, go straight to 2 front legs.
Right.
And the body and 2 back legs. And leave a tail. And now,
And put some eyes.
some tiger eyes. I find here that the drawing on the balloon actually makes this balloon.
Okay, makes it look better.
That's right. A mouth,
Right.
whiskers, and then I put stripes
Stripes.
all over him.
Fantastic.
There you go, Arnie, one of my favourites.
Oh, that's a fantastic one. Like a tiger. Like a tiger.